Are you happy you got a toy today?
Yeah.
What you got today?
Car.
And you went with Daddy?
Yep.
Which store?
Target.
Target.
Target?
Yeah. I want to buy this like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, is what I
What is this? Let me see.
The
Mm-hmm.
king.
Mm.
See? 5, 9, 6, 9.
It's a racing center.
Yeah.
It's a racing center.
Yeah. Let's go.
Subhan, you ready? Are you going to open?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, wow, red car.
Alright, can you open from this side?
You see how it jumps like this? Jump like that and like this.
Yeah, and the racing car.
Okay, well, let's see what is inside.
Let's open.
Yeah. Me and you together. Aha.
What is this?
Slow, slow.
Time to clean.
Oh, we have to fix it, all of them.
A
Look.
lot of pieces. Oh,
Oh.
my god.
There's a menu.
More stuff
Stickers.
inside.
Stickers. Stickers. Mama, I got stickers.
Oh, you want stickers too?
Yeah. I don't know how to say it.
There's something inside?
Oh, please, too far.
Let me do it this way. Hold on.
Oh.
No, try it. Is it there yet? Some more big joint one. Oh, just a lot.
Okay. Stop cooking. Something's wrong.
we should go this way. Yeah, I'll fix this one.
And then we'll play them. Then you can put them, see who's doing fast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that.
But you do have some more parking for that.
Oh yeah, how many parkings we have? We got, you wanna count how many?
We got 2. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, they're not far. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8.
Okay, so who is going first? You scared me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! This is super amazing! Wow! I like it!
Let's do the jump too.
Alright!
Let's start the button. What's this one? What's I heard that. Let's put the jump.
Okay.
Go.
How's the car going? Very fast.
Yeah. Let the wheels go faster.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay.
Ready for the race?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do this one. Now, let's start the button.
1, 2, go! Wow. Round and round. It's like a circle. Oh my god, watch your hands. Ooh, wow. That was a tricky.
See that? Let the wheels turn around.
Do you wanna try another one? Ooh, watch out. No. Can you catch it? Wow, what's going on? Oh! Watch out your face. Who's winning?
I don't know. This really hard.
Alright, so let's try it again. See who's gonna win. So you wanna do two together? So whichever flip means that one is not winning, okay? So if this one flips, oh, it flips, so you gotta go. Let's try something else. This one is out. Let's try this one. Okay. Alright. Let's see if this one flips. Uh-oh. Oh, this one flips too. Alright. Ooh, wow. Scared me. Oh, they're too fast. Oh, the black one lost. Alright, let's give it another try. Who's next? But the one they lost, don't bring them back. Woo. Wow, this thing is amazing.
Yeah. What is the lid like?
What about the other red? What is this one? The blue one or red one?
The red one is pink.
Okay. Oops. Oh, oh, the green lose again. Look at that. I saw I got flipped. Woo, ah, I'm scared. She's scared. She's like, don't know. Subhan, you like it? Oh my god. Subhan, let's try close this one. Close the red.
Leaf?
Yes. Let's see what they're gonna do. See, that one lose, that one lose. Uh-oh. Oh my god, big accident. Oh no, that one too. Uh-oh. Ooh, watch out. Uh-oh. What happened? Touch the red one. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh,
I told you.
that's an accident.
Stop it.
Uh-oh.
What this? Where's that car? Oh, see, stop with that.
Yeah, let's do this. One and Mama will choose the card and we'll see who's winning. So whoever fell down over there in the bridge, lose. That's a great idea. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is green.
First,
Let's turn it off. Right.
yeah.
Oh, Daddy lose it already.
Yeah, I know it. See, mine.
Wow, Swansu winning, Mama winning. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yes, Mama's still winning. Great. Uh-oh. Touch it. Yes, one, see. One is winning, Mama is winning. Oh, Mama almost lose, man. Oh my god, that's a long race. One of those cars are watching. They're having a good time, they're watching you. Oh please. Oh, did you see that? Wow, that's a long race. Let's see who's gonna win. Mama or Subhan?
This one.
one is yours. Oh my God, Subhan, are you nervous? Are you excited? Oh my God, I will see it. Yay. Oh my gosh, that was almost fell. Oh no, please help me, red car. Subhan, can you help me? Oh. Subhan and Mama lose together. Yeah. Nobody wins this time.
Wait, said you go room.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
And what are the colors of the cards?
9.
What are the color of the cards?
Red, green,
Silver?
green,
Silver and orange, yeah, green.
and green, and black, and blue, and red.
Which one is Subhan's favorite?
Red and red.
Yay, and mine is green. And Daddy's is silver and orange. Let's have a race. Is it big race? Everybody's in the circle. 1, 2, 3, go. Let them go. Let's see it.
Ooh, you see the red card.
That's a lot of cars now. Oh man, we're having an accident.
Go!
Ready, steady, go. Go, guys. Oh no, traffic. So we have an accident. So they're gonna go sit there and watch everybody else, right? Alright, let's have another try. Let's try again. Alright, let's see who's gonna win this time. Ooh, she's watching too? Oh, that's smart. I like that idea. Uh-oh. Take that silver one out too. She lost. Can you push that silver one? There you go. So done for the race today? Race finished?
Hi guys.
So Subhan, you have a good race? It was fun?
Yeah.
Who won? Mama and Subhan win?
And Daddy don't win.
Yay! Wow.
Daddy don't win.
Daddy came to what? Second number?
Yeah.
Third number?
No. 60-0.
Oh. Okay. So red car win and green car win. Can you help me with something?
Okay, tow truck is coming.
Yeah, we need tow truck. The cars, they have an accident, so they can't take them.
Come on.
Call the police car too, so the police car can come
But
for the
first one-
security.
But he's having an accident too. See?
Oh, he's already there? Oh, okay, that's great. So, okay,
Actually, Dad had two.
the tow truck will take them. Tow truck, can you help us, please?
Okay, so take up these first.
Okay, the yellow car too, yeah. Turn on the siren so people knows. So the other car knows there's an emergency.
Oh, he got it.
Okay. Oh my god, this guy has a lot to do. He has to fix all that stuff. Oh my god, a lot of cars to be fixed. The green car is also had an accident, remember?
Oh,
Not the mama one, the other one. See his wheels? Get him too.
I can get mine too from here.
Yeah, you can go up. Keep your siren on so they know you coming. Here you come. Keep the siren on, please. Thank you, tow truck, for helping Subhan and Mama. Okay, almost there. One more car.
Oh no.
What happened?
This is almost a ton.
Oh man. Okay, so all those cars are there.
He having trouble too. This guy.
A little bit damage are okay because he won. He did good job. Good job, guys. Do you wanna say goodbye to these cars? So this one need a little bit paint. They will do that later.
No, there is the window.
Oh, the window too? Oh no. Okay. So they're also going to the auto place? The auto shop? Okay. Thank you, tow truck, for helping.
Oh, he has this too. To get him.
You have to keep your siren on so the driver knows. Alright. It was a good race. Everybody had a good time. Alright. Bye everyone.
Let's go play.
So Subhan will play tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Here.
You wanna say bye to everyone?
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.